So I'm on to the next part of the trailer, and I'm going to set up tyre racks. There's a, here it is all here. Going to set up tyre racks, and I've got a toolbox to go on it, and we'll do move the spare wheel that's currently under the toolbox and set up the tyre racks, and got to get a winch. We're putting a winch on it, so that's all happening now. So now I'll start making up the frame for the tyres, and there's the metal for it. I'm using a Duragal steel because I want to keep them from corroding and so on. So there's my two steel frames welded up, which I did on top of the steel bench, which is nice and square. So they are nice and square. And so now I'm going to lay the tyre out, a wheel and tyre out on one of them, which will give me the angle of the two crossbars. Then I'll weld them in, and I can put it up on the top and basically weld it on. So that's it. That's how it'll sit on the trailer. I think that's pretty good. We'll see how we go from there. I've just set up 2 tyres on the rack, and that piece of tube will go through. So I'm going to make tyres like that. I'm going to make a small frame here, which will have a tube end in here, which this will slide through and give us a centre on the wheel, and that will be the way it will work. So you'll have your wheels on, slide your tube through, and you'll be able to lock the tube into the frame, and hopefully no one will borrow your wheels. There we go. that's the end of part 2. Part 3 will be along with the finishing of the trailer and the rally car on it. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Cheers for now.